Good morning, boys. Today is World Yoga Day, and it's a day when all of us practice yoga as part of our fitness. All of us need to be physically fit, and I'm sure being during this lockdown, many of you all at home, it has been a difficult time, and all of us have put on weight. I'm sure many of you have put on weight. So I think it's a good time that all of us now take a pledge, especially on this World Yoga Day, that we will practice yoga and other type of exercises to remain fit. If we remain fit physically, we become fit also mentally and spiritually. Our health is not just about our physical fitness, but it is also about our mental fitness and our spiritual fitness. So let us take a pledge that together all of us will remain healthy and that we will practice different type of exercises, and once we are healthy we can work and we can do lots of things in this world. All of you have to do many things. Now we are beginning this new academic year. We all look forward that all of you will take part in your studies and do well. Thank you and wish you all the best.
Good morning, boys. Warm welcome to you on this International Yoga Day. The importance of yoga is known to all of us as it helps us to maintain our physical and mental health. It is very important because it also helps us to regulate our blood circulation and body fitness. That is why on this day, we stress more on practicing yoga, which is from ages being practiced in India, as you know. Practicing yoga helps us to overcome any disorder in the body and keep a balanced mental health. Today, we are facing a lot of problems regarding depression, mental depression. To overcome mental depression, the practice of yoga is the best remedy and very essential. Sir Anthony will now show you some asanas. Please do them regularly in the house, which will help you to maintain your physical health, mental health, and overcome any kind of disorders in the body. Thank you and send my warm wishes to you, boys, and your dear parents. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear students and my dear parents. You all know today the whole world is celebrating International Yoga Day. On this occasion, our school, St. Paul's, is celebrating International Yoga. Before we start our yoga exercise, I'm going to teach you the yoga prayer. All need to sing along with me. Kindly join your hands, close your eyes, and sing along with me. Asatoma Satkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityuma Amrutam Gamaya. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So my dear students, before I begin the pranayama, which I am going to teach you how to do it, I am going to say one small yoga mantra. All of you kindly repeat. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep silence. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep silence. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malayam sharira svacha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim pranjalim pranatosme Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Silence. Now today, let us practice how to do the breathing exercise that is called pranayama. So we have to normal breathe as your sitting posture should be in this position. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Then you have to do at least 10 sets of each version. You have to simple breathing from both the nostril. Breathe in, breathe out. 10 sets. Then after that, kindly take your right hand, press your right nostril and breathe in from the left and breathe out same nostril. Breathe in and breathe out from the same nostril. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Then you have to do the breathe in from the right nostril and breathe out at the same nostril. Breathe in and breathe out from the right nostril. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now breathe in from the left and breathe out from the right. Breathe in, breathe out. Remember, when you are breathing in from the left, you need to press your right nostril with the help of your thumb. And when you are breathing out the breath from the right nostril, you need to press your left nostril with the help of your middle finger or any other finger comfortably. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, next step, you have to breathe in from the right nostril, then breathe out from the left nostril. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. The next step is you have to breathe in from the left nostril and breathe out from the right nostril. Then again you have to breathe in from the right nostril, then breathe out from the left nostril. This is called Nadi Shuddhi. So you have to breathe in from the left, breathe out. Again breathe in from the right, breathe out from the left. Breathe in from the left, breathe out from the right. on behalf of the principal, staff, and all my dear students, I wish you happy Yoga Day.